Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and I make beauty content. Today I have a box full of new elf launches. Can you hear that? Also, Nykaa has changed their packaging it seems. Let's open the parcel. Also, I have got a new mic. Please tell me you can hear me better now. First up, we have the elf Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. This can be used before and after both. The mist is really fine. Doesn't feel like a hairspray or something. Very light. There's no fragrance as such that I can feel. It feels good. Next up, we have the Putty Color Correcting Eye Primer. I got this in the shade Medium Tan. I have heard really good reviews about this one. I do have dark circles as you can see. This is how it looks like. Oh, has a very nice creamy consistency. Blending it with my fingers. I can see that it gives some shine. Do you guys see any difference? Let me know in the comments. I am the most excited for this one. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is a medium buildable coverage it says, and it has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex. It's brand new. I got it in the shade Light Warm. Taking it on the back of my hand. Feels nice. Dotting it over my face. Should I use my hands? Oh, it has a consistency like a skin tint. Wow, it melted with my fingers, guys. Can you see that? I got this brush from Amazon. The thin spatula brush. This is for just 200 rupees. Can you believe that? Now let's put it to use. Wow, this foundation is so lightweight. Don't feel anything heavy, cakey. I am blending it further with this sponge I got from Nykaa. It looks skin-like, right? It has a medium coverage as it says. It's not heavy coverage. Let's try a tissue test. I think it has dried down now. You see, not much transfer. Last product we have is this. Last time I had chosen a very light peach shade. This is Suave Mauve. Everyone raves about it. This is how it looks like. I love everything mauve. Let's just put one dot. Ah, that's a lot. Using my Mars brush. Wow, look at that pigment, guys. Look at that pigment. Does it say blush blindness? Wow. The pigment is insane, guys. You saw how much I put. Locking everything in with the spray again. This is a very nice mist. It feels like you're putting some rose water or something. Nothing. I like it. This is how my skin looks like with no powder. It's completely set. Now let's use some powder. I'm a powder person. What about you guys? Stain brush. This is how my skin looks up close. So the final review, I think I liked everything I tried. The setting spray has a very fine mist. Absolutely 10 on 10. The brightener, I like the finish. How it performs and everything, I'll let you know later. The foundation is so good, you guys. Like, I love how my skin looks like. I absolutely love lightweight skin tint formulations. Definitely, if you're getting something, get this. This is amazing. It has 30 shades. Did I tell you about that? And this blush will give you the blush. Like, look at my cheeks. It's so pigmented. 10 on 10. All products 10 on 10. Love it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.